Hey everybody, it's Cindy Stewart. I just thought I'd use a new little filter. It's an interesting one just to give us some bright color. But I want to talk about winning. And someone made me a t-shirt and it says, "We will win." See this? We will win. And I just want to encourage you because we're in a winning season. It may not look that way, but we are in a winning season. The Lord is speaking to us. He's raising us up to be these strong warriors for Him. And He was showing me the other day what He's doing for the war strategy is not hand-to-hand combat. He's given us strategies in order to win the war. And we will have victory on it. We will win because the Lord has equipped His people to bring victory in this season. So I just want to encourage you to write in the comments, tell me what is the strategy the Lord has given you so that you will have victory in this season. And as you share your strategy, I know that the Lord will have others share their strategy, and you know that He gives us all parts. And when we put all of our parts together, then it becomes amazing. This amazing, beautiful tapestry of wisdom, of strategy, of understanding. So tell me, what strategy is the Lord giving you? Because you know with that strategy, we will win. So have a great Thursday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.